see me, but I've just started off by taking out these weeds, giving it a little bit of a move around. I'll probably be adding more compost onto the top for the nutrients. This is just how the soil's looking. I had beans in here last year, so I think I'm going to do those again in this one. But I need to have a trip to the garden centre for those ones. I can't remember what was in this one. I think it was spring onions, which can go back in there. In this one was beetroot. There's some sort of creature in here. I don't like the look of it. It's, I don't know what it is, but I do not like it. It's giving me the heebie-jeebies. This one was beetroots. These ones was beetroots. These definitely need more composting. And I'm going to be doing beetroots again in this one again this year. Just giving that a good mix. These are my strawberries, which we grew from seeds last year. I'm not sure if they're going to last, but I'm just going to take some weeds out, and then later on I'll prune them, because they might come back. Oh, that is awful. Yeah, I mean they might come back. I don't know if they will or not. It feels a bit sandy, to be honest. I wonder if, I don't know, that might be a bigger job than I thought. These ones are all tomatoes, which all need to be chucked out because, I mean, there's not really much left to it, is there? But somehow, the purple broccoli plant has lasted out of a pot over the Christmas, over the winter, which I mean is a bit strange, but yeah. Can I just, that works. I think I might do something different than the ones this year. And they're all pot buds, so they need to go out anyway. So the first thing I'm going to plant is beetroots. Now all I'm going to do is dig the middle part to the side, about there. I'm going to get a few. I'm just going to sprinkle those in. Cover it back up. Oh, there's a bit of wood in there. Cover it back up. When they get bigger, I'll probably add more soil. As of now, it should be alright. Put one there as well. I think there's 2 or 3 there now. Cover those up. I'm not going to pat it down because they need space to move and grow. And that is all you do when you plant beetroot. Next, I'm going to plant some spring onion. And I'm just using this pot because I could probably fit about 20 in there. They don't need loads of room because they just grow upwards. They're not very widespread. But all I'm going to do with these ones is sprinkle them, let's use them all, sprinkle them on top. And then I'm going to get my spoon. I'm just going to mix those in. Oh, probably not like that usually. Give them a good mix. Spread it out a bit like that, and then they should just grow upwards like that. Also, maybe not like that either, but hey ho. So, in this one here, I'm going to attempt to do an onion this year. I don't think I've done an onion for a while. I am going to put a few seeds in this one, because if they get too big or whatever, I can just separate them into different pots. But, I mean, they'll be okay, I think. How many have I got? Got a few in there, right? So, it's not guaranteed for all the seeds to actually become plants anywhere. It's very rare you do actually get all your seeds through plants. That's why I never just put one in. Always a couple. Fit another cluster there as well. They probably will need to be moved as they get bigger, but for now, they'll be alright in there. And that's it. So, in this one I did have a couple of cabbages last year. The first one was brilliant, it was huge, but the second one got infested by caterpillars. So I am going to take this one out, even though it's lasted all winter, hasn't it? But I am just going to take that one out, just to make sure there's none lingering still. And I've got a few weeds in here as well. But what I'm going to do in this one is parsnips. Once I've cleared out all this, in fact I'll be back after I finish this. So I am back now, and in this one I'm going to be doing parsnips and maybe carrots, because you can actually grow those together. I mean, there is still a few roots in there, but it doesn't really matter because they're not going to grow into anything. You just want to make sure you get the entire plant out, the actual plant and its main roots. So I'm going to be very generous with these. All over. This is a big tub. I mean, they don't really need loads of room, they just need deep, that's all carrots and parsnips need. It's deep soil that those need. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a big mix and make sure they're all covered up as well. Just like folding your egg whites into either a cake or whatever you're making. Well, it'd probably be your sugar if you were making meringues, but you're just going to fold them in like you're making something. Not all of these seeds are going to grow into plants, which is why I've been so generous, because it's huge, this pot. Yeah, really making sure they're all nice and in. They should grow. You don't need loads of soil on top. Just making sure they are in the damp, moist soil, covered up in the dark. I mean, you shouldn't really put them down. Yeah, and that looks to be done to me. And so just like that, I have planted 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of vegetables in my garden. Literally took me about 20-30 minutes to do, and that's only because I was de-weeding them all as well. But if you didn't de-weed them, it would take you that long, and all you need to do is just keep them watered, and you can grow your own veg. It's so simple. They don't take a lot of time or effort. You know, I mean, in England the rain mostly does most of the watering for you, so you don't need to put a lot of effort into it, but it's nice to have your own plants. It gives you that sort of sense of achievement. So you can take your, I don't know, your parsnips and have them on a Sunday roast, and you can say, I grew them from seed. Or the beetroots in a nice salad. The cabbage last year I actually made into a coleslaw, which is amazing. But anyway, follow along for the journey, follow, subscribe and like, and I'll keep you updated on how my garden goes and any other things I might add.